Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can sign out or log out from your Indeed job search account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.indeed.com/m/. Once you do this, you will be redirected to its homepage. So here you need to first of all sign in into your account if you haven't. So if you have signed in, you need to click on the three lines on the right hand side and scroll down the drop down menu. There you will find the sign out option which you need to click on. So once you click it on, you will be signed out from your account. So this is how you sign out from your Indeed job search account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.